What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chyanne and Ayden. If you're here, I'm Chyanne.
And I'm Ayden.
So today we are going to be doing a volcano experiment. So this is going to be so fun, but first, before we get started, make sure you always have a parent to help you. Okay, so I don't know. I might just show you guys what we have to do and like the molds because there's so many molds.
And guys,
volcano molds.
also different because mine's little horses.
Oh yeah, they're both different. See, they're so cool though. Mine is like an actual cool like one. So it comes with these little volcano molds. And this is the thing that goes like that, but we'll be showing you guys in a minute because we have to do it.
Do I open mine?
Yeah, you can open yours. Then it comes with these cool rocks, but this is a different step. But I'm just gonna show you guys all the stuff that we need. So first we have these rocks. I don't know what these are yet because I have to read. But yeah, and I already showed you guys this. This is the molds.
I can't open this.
You need help?
Actually,
Oh, you got it. You just pull it, yeah. And then I got some powder. It doesn't really say.
It looks like a little hockey thingy.
Oh, it's called eruption powder. Oh, cool.
It's like a little hockey thing we like to play.
They're the mold stands. So it just comes with all these cool packets. Then it comes with a paintbrush, which I'm so excited to paint because I love painting.
And it comes with this.
I think this is paint. Yeah, paint.
Yeah. And what is this?
Well, this is so cool. It's called eruption powder. A. It tells you like A.
Here are directions.
Oh, that's actually a
Whoopsie.
Oh, it's just a big popsicle. a popsicle stick. Yeah, see, Ayden dropped this a popsicle stick. But we have extras, as you can see, right here. But they're smaller. That comes with the bigger one.
What is this thing?
Then this is pop crystals. Oh, that is so cool. Then just more powder. Okay, so these are going to be our
Look at the crystal.
Yeah, this is our instructions. Then this is like the learning guide to tell you all about volcanoes, which is pretty cool because it's fun to learn about volcanoes. Oh gosh, this must be the powder stuff.
Come with the crystal?
No, it comes with crystal powder. And then the last thing.
Oh, it does come with the crystal thingy.
Oh, this is plaster.
Yeah, paintbrushes.
I didn't know what it was called.
And guys, here are logs.
Those are like it's like something to do with the volcano. No! You don't. Okay, guys, everything is a little bit messy, so we're just gonna organize this. But make sure you stay tuned because we're gonna be showing you guys how to make your own volcano. Okay, so since we just got all of our stuff organized, now it's time to do step 1. So the first thing you have to do is take off your rubber band, and here's all the molds. So what you're going to do is take your mold, and then you're going to flip them upside down like that, and then just take the other ones and go around it.
This is hard.
Yeah, I'm gonna be helping you so you know how to do it. Okay, so you have to do that first. You just have to push in all the pieces and make sure they're snapped. No, not yet, Ayden. You have to snap, look. Then you have these little like ball things, and then you have to like snap it. Okay, now that you set up the molds, now you have to take a rubber band and go around the molds. So let me just fix mine. Okay guys, now that step 1 is complete, you should, it should look like this. So you got your mold.
And this one's mine.
And so you got your mold with your rubber bands going around it. So that's what it should look like. Okay, now we're on to step 2. So make sure before I show you guys what we have, so safety is always first. Make sure you either wear goggles or safety glasses. Okay, so what you need is a bowl, like a good mixing bowl.
I have one too, so
yeah. A measuring cup, but you need 1 cup of water, so you better grab some water.
1 cup is this.
Yeah,
that's
the 1 cup. And then you need some scissors. Then you need a popsicle stick.
Then
and more plaster.
I don't know.
You always need this. That's how you make your volcano. All right, guys, it's time to measure 1 cup of water. Oops.
Now we got 1 cup of water. We're gonna pour it in our bowls. Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah. Okay, now that we got our pasta, so now we're gonna cut a kind of like a slit kind of in it. Make sure you cut it like this so it does not go everywhere. You do not want to make a big mess. So that's why you need your parent to help you. Once you get the consistency, then you have to start stirring. And make sure it looks like a milkshake.
Mine looks just like a milkshake because I started.
Okay guys, you have to be really quick because you have to pour into your plaster. Okay guys, now that you're done pouring in the plaster, now it's time to hit the sides because you have to remove the air bubbles. Okay, now that we did that, now we have to see you guys back when it hardens in 45 minutes. Okay guys, it's step 4 now. So we let it sit for 45 minutes. And mine got a little hot, so I'm not sure if it made a chemical reaction, but I think it did because Ayden says cold, he's got warm, and then mine got cold, you know. But, okay, I think it's time to take them off. Okay, I think you take off the rubber bands, I think. Okay. Oh, God.
Wait, what if it explodes?
It's not gonna explode yet.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be taking it off.
This is
I don't know how
like
you do
this.
Oh, you do this.
Oh.
Oh, cool!
Do we take these off?
Yeah, you have to take them off. Okay.
Whoa! Okay.
Okay, guys, I think you. Oh! Whoa! This is how my volcano turned out.
I kind
You have to turn it upside down.
broke mine. but-
Okay, let me see yours.
Yours looks better. Actually, a whole
Okay, guys,
deep at
These
all.
it have little lines in mine. It has a big hole, but it's a little tiny. But yeah, and the smooth. But now we're gonna take the popsicle stick, and you look the lines. Okay, so basically what we did is we took the popsicle stick and smoothed out the lines, but you have to be careful because it's basically not done. What we have to do is put it in the oven at 2 hours at 200 degrees.
When they come out the oven, we're gonna paint them, and so see tuned.
Make sure you stay tuned. Okay, guys, finally, after all this time waiting for 2 hours, our volcanoes are finally done. They're dry, they're hard, and finally it's time to paint. So we're gonna be painting them. We got red, we got like grayish black, and then yellow.
So
And then we got water.
first we're gonna dip a paintbrush in water,
And then start
we
painting.
dip it and we just color it. What will you do?
Okay, guys, we just got done painting, and we let them sit for a bit. So here's our final result.
Mine sister looks better than this one.
Ayden, yours looks good.
And
You did with a red.
and fire's dripping or whatever it's called. Lava's dripping, and here's yellow and red lava. This one's, and look,
It's so pretty.
I added red lava. If you guys can see, it's red lava on it, and we were gonna explode it. And I said yellow on it.
Reddish. Now, wait, before we actually get started, Ayden, safety's first. So now that you got your goggles on, that's perfect. Okay, guys, so you need your eruption powder A and your eruption powder B. So make sure you get your 2 powders. That's good that you have them, Ayden. Now you need a bowl and either a spoon or anything that you really have. But we have
And you need scissors to cut these packets open.
You need 1 tablespoon. Make sure it's TB. That means tablespoons, not T or S. I can't remember. Then you need 1 teaspoon.
I saw it's 2.
Because you're gonna need your popping crystals.
Popping pop.
Okay, guys, and afterwards I'll explain the rest because we have to pour 1 cup of water into the volcano. But that's after we do everything.
We're going
Okay, let's
funnel it like this.
Yeah, we're gonna pour this over.
That's why we need
Okay,
these.
Ayden, let's stop talking and get these things open.
Yay!
I'm too excited.
Wait, which one do I
Snap.
need again?
you need both of them. And then, here, I'll pour mine first.
Okay, I'll just pour mine on.
Oh, hold up.
Do I have to pour on, Trey?
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like sugar. Ayden. Hold up,
This
guys.
looks like crystals.
Here, skip the table back. Good job. Okay, guys, so I just poured.
Whoopsie.
Do you need help?
And
Snap.
can you please help me kind of open?
Oh, this is red. No, you're Ayden.
Wow.
Okay, hold on. Let me help you, please. Okay.
Wait. Ayden.
Sorry, guys. He's acting a little crazy because he had a lot of sugar. Next time you're not eating any more sugar because that's how you act. Don't mind him, guys. So you have to mix really well and make sure
Mix. Okay, guys,
I forgot to tell you guys, you need a funnel. You definitely need a funnel for this small volcano.
That's because you need to pull like little pop-ups things.
Okay, guys. So now we got our pop crystals. Okay,
They
guys.
came from a mountain.
No, they came with the volcano set. Ayden. Oh, they're pink.
Wait, can I please
Do
see?
they look like that? No, don't touch them. They'll
I'm gonna-
spill everywhere. Okay, guys.
Oh, they
so
are
now you need 1 teaspoon of the
Yeah.
crystals. So you're just going to take it and you're going to scoop
Store.
1 teaspoon.
Can I
Hold up, guys. I don't want to really spill this. So, no.
Oh, yours.
Like that, guys.
Can I send mine, please? Oh,
No,
yours.
hold up.
Yours
Mine
first,
first.
then mine. Wait, how many? 2 or 1?
You need 1. Carefully.
Oh, it's so
Okay,
light.
guys, he's pouring it. Pour it all in.
Oh,
No.
that's easy.
It's time to get 1 tablespoon of your erupting powder. This red stuff.
I
You
barely
need
mixed it, guys.
1 stuff of this.
Huge, big one.
And guys, there's a lot of extra
Can
stuff.
I pour mine in?
Okay, see? You do that.
Oh, we need a
And
funnel,
then
guys.
You get your
Oh, no.
funnel. Your
Funnel.
And then after you get 1 tablespoon, you're going to pour it
No.
in your volcano.
Wait, where's this pink stuff again?
Okay, guys. Now, finally,
Oh, wait!
clear your board.
Whoopsie.
Okay, guys. Okay, this is gonna be so scary, so you better back away. And yeah. Oh no, Ayden.
I need to pull.
Ayden, did you pull yours all out?
No.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Wait.
You poured all your rocks out.
No.
Ayden, you are. Okay, guys. Finally, it is time. Make sure you have safety first. Yeah, this is gonna be so fun.
Yeah.
Before we pour the water in, we need 1
cup. Only 1 cup. So you need to pour it
Like-
right there on
Yeah,
1
we
cup.
only need 1 cup of water, or you're.
You
guys, I poured 1 cup. Hold up, let me see yours. Keep on going. Stop. Stop.
Sorry.
Okay, guys. Here's
pour
our
it?
volcanoes.
Wait, we'll slow down.
Okay, put on your goggles. I might back up a bit.
Wait,
okay,
do
guys.
it. Wow! I did it too soon.
I might pour some more powder
Oh,
in
it's
here.
still floating. Wait, where's mine? Give me mine. Whoa! Oh, what else?
Guys, this is so cool.
Slowed. Whoa, oh no. I might have went too off board.
Oh, my
Chyanne.
powder fell out.
Bye.